Pamilya Gutierrez sama-sama sa lamay ni Alexa Gutierrez, including Sara Labati. Malapit na malapit talaga si Alexa sa lahat ng miyembro ng Pamilya Gutierrez, kaya naman hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa rin tanggap ng pamilya na maaga itong lumisan. Di dali-dali rin namang umuwi si Rufa Gutierrez from other country at sa burol na mismo ni Alexandra ito dumiretso after a long flight. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Nagkita-kita nga ang lahat ng miyembro ng pamilya sa burol ni Alexandra. Si Sara Labati nga ay kauna-unahang numalaw sa burol nito dahil hindi pa rin nagsisink in sa kanyang isip na wala na ang kanyang tinatawag na sestra. Dahil close na close nga sila ni Alexa. Sabi nga sa post ni Sara Labati, "I can't wrap my head around. Why? Too soon, Lex. It's not fair." Sinundan pa ito ng isa pang litrato ni Alexa. "Forever in my heart. My sestra, I love you." From Sara Labati. Si Rufa Gutierrez naman ay hindi alintana ang haba ng kanyang flight mula Los Angeles, California. Makarating lang agad sa burol ng kanyang sister-in-law. Straight from the flight si Rufa para masilayan agad si Alexa. "Finally flying home," sabi ni Rufa Gutierrez. Maski ang dating asawa ni Rufa Gutierrez na si Ilmas Bectas ay agad nakisimpatya at nakiramay sa buong pamilya Gutierrez. Kahit na matagal na silang hiwalay ay hindi pa rin ito nakakalimot sa pamilya ni Rufa Gutierrez. As the Bectas family, we share the pain of the loss of the Gutierrez family. As the Bectas family, we offer our condolences to the Gutierrez family. From Ilmas Bectas. At may pahabol pang ang post itong si Ilmas Bectas. "May your soul rest in peace. I wish the place you go to is better than the place you left." At ang mga anak naman ni Rufa Gutierrez ay sobrang affected sa pagkawala ng kanilang tita Alexa dahil sa sobrang closeness nila sa isa't isa. Mula naman kay Venice Bectas, "My dearest Tita Lex, nothing could have prepared me for how much I'll miss you. It has been a privilege to have known you and been loved by you. I will pray every day that you are resting easy. I will pray for the kids and Tito Elvis, and I will make sure to be the best ate to your girls. Your passing has left a hole in this family that nothing will be able to fill. I am so grateful for all the memories we've shared. From you babysitting me since 2007, introducing me to Nicki Minaj, and inspiring me to be the super cool teenage girl, just like you when I was a little girl. I would do anything to relive those moments again. Thank you for taking care of me and mentoring me through hard times when I had nobody else to turn to. You always took time out of your day to help and guide me through whatever I was facing. All the planned trips and tours we will never get to take. All the text hot spots you have yet to show me. I will have the best time at uni for you, and I will be praying to heaven and telling you about all the stories. You were always my biggest supporter, and now my guardian angel. The most beautiful soul taken away from us too soon. I will see you again someday. I love you so much. From Venice Bectas. Samantalang ang asawa naman niyang si Elvis ay nangungulila sa pagkawala niya. Maski ang suot na sapatos ni Elvis na kulay green ay matchy-matchy sa kanyang asawang si Alexa. Kaya naman tuwing susuotin niya ito sa burol ng kanyang asawa ay dinadala rin niya ang pair ng sapatos ni Alexa para hanggang dito man lang ay maramdaman ni Alexa ang kanyang pagmamahal. Inalis na nga rin ni Elvis Gutierrez ang wedding band nila ni Alexa Gutierrez at ginawa niya itong pendant sa kanyang necklace para maramdaman niyang forever niyang kasama itong si Alexa kahit na ito ay maagang lumisan sa kanyang piling. Tunay ngang marami ang makakamiss kay Alexa lalong-lalo na ang pamilya Gutierrez dahil talagang kasundo nila ito, ang asawa ni Elvis Gutierrez. Kaya naman paalam sa kanya.